All right. You can hear me now. Okay. Well, hello.
Hey.
Hey, you. I'm realizing I left my folder probably upstairs with the information that I need on it. But we know some of this stuff.
We're gonna go through this real quick, okay?
Very
So
quick. Short, sweet, and to the point.
just kind of wanted to let our insurers know that we our insurance carriers have some offerings that they are refunding or discounting insurance policies per se. So like kind of want to go through each of the companies that we carry, the Boss Insurance Group. So Safeco is giving 15% off of 2 months of their auto premium for April and May. 15% off for 2 months of premium, April and May, for Safeco/Liberty Mutual. Um, you want to add to that, Lucretia?
Yeah, Safeco, 15%. Travelers is 15%. Travelers, this is auto, all auto. Travelers is offering a 15% back. They're giving it towards your premium for your monthly policy. So it's added on to that. Safeco, though, is not. Safeco is doing a refund.
Okay.
Safeco is giving it right back to you in the order that you paid. So it's only going to be a refund for 2 months, April and May. It may extend further, but right now it's just 2 months. So April and May, they'll take that. Safeco's 15%, refund you that of your whole premium. And then they'll send that back to you via debit, banking, savings, credit, however you pay for it. And then Travelers is giving it back to you to your premium. So they'll take the percentage off and add it on. Who else is doing 15%?
15%. And they're doing a credit, but they don't know how they're going to refund it back yet.
What was that again? Because your audio came in kind of delayed.
Mercury Insurance.
Mercury. Okay.
Mercury Insurance is doing 15%, but they don't know how they're actually giving the refund back.
Yeah, I was told today that AAA is the exact same way. They're doing it, but they don't know what percentage and how much, but they are going to do something. I was just told that today.
Okay. Mercury is actually doing a partial payment. So if you want to do partial payments, you can. Or you can extend the due date for Mercury Insurance.
Okay.
You hear me?
I can hear you. Absolutely.
And State Auto and Encompass are deferring payments. They're doing 30 days of deferring the payments. But then after those 30 days, you probably need to call them because they're gonna want the current premium plus the current premium due and the past premium due. So right now they're doing deferred payments. I hope that they change discounts. But right now they're just doing deferred payments. And Progressive is doing 20%.
Yes, 20.
Progressive is doing 20% of April and May so far. So if this COVID-19 extends even more, I do know that the insurance companies will probably give more,
Yeah.
give another. So,
A good thing to know too is that you don't have to do anything. At least the ones that we have under our brokerage, the Boss Insurance Group, it's been noted, or they send out emails or letters letting you know there's nothing that you have to do in order to participate in the insurer's refund. If you are a paid customer during the month of April and May, you will receive some type of percentage off between, so far that we've seen, 15 to 20%, either towards your premium or a refund back into the way that you paid. And it was with I think it was the same thing. So you mentioned one of them doing a deferred payment. Can you talk about what deferred means and how it works?
well, State Auto and Encompass is just doing well. I actually had a client and we called on a two-way call, and depending on the client's pay plan, like how they've been paying, so it's like their pay history.
Mm-hmm.
Um, they'll extend it like 30 days, and
Okay.
then after 30 days is up, you have to pay the past due plus the current. So, um, but they're accepting partial payments too. So if you want to pay partial with State Auto, and I think Encompass is doing the same thing. They haven't given any discounts yet, but they're doing deferring the payment.
Okay. I think that's it for our carriers, right? We have Safe Auto, Mercury, State Auto. Oh, sorry, State Auto, Safeco. I mixed the two together. State Auto,
So put it
Safeco.
like this.
Cool.
All the 15% companies is Safeco, Mercury Insurance, and Travelers. They're giving 15% discounts. Progressive is giving 20%. State Auto and Encompass are deferring payment.
Okay.
So that's it. So we kind of wanted to let our clients know via email, via social media. We're going to post this on email. We're going to post this on social media, and then we're also going to send it to our clients via email. And there's nothing that you have to do. Everything is automatic. The insurance companies will handle on their end.
Yes, and this is just us sharing from the Boston Insurance Group, although most or maybe some are not our clients, but sharing is caring. So we just wanted to put it out there.
Oh, also, just kind of wanted to share, I wrote some business today and yesterday, and when I called into the insurance companies, especially Progressive, they were like, oh, let your clients know that they'll still get the discount. Just because they're new business, they'll still get the discount. So,
Oh, that's good.
so even though it's new business, they'll still get the discount.
Oh, and if you were a client of any of our carriers that we mentioned that we know for sure about the percentage back, if you were a client, or at least Traveler states that they will refund you the amount if you're no longer a client. So if you ended your term with Travelers in the month of April, whatever days is left, it'll be prorated and sent out to you. So I do remember reading that they are offering it even if you were a client of Travelers in the month of April 2020. No, nothing prior and nothing after. So April through May, if you decide to leave whatever's left, they'll also apply it that way. So yeah.
And if you have any questions for the Boston Insurance Group.
Yes. Where's your business card? Can you put it on the screen?
312-759. What's the last four?
Really? It's 312-973-8583. This is one of, wait, can you see it? It's probably a little janky.
Go ahead. Yeah. Do it. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again.
What, 312-973-8583. We also have one of our insurance companies is Mile Auto. Mile Auto is amazing since we're talking about auto insurance. You okay with flowing with this, Candy?
I mean, you can talk about it. They're not giving no discounts because it's basically.
They're not, but for some people who have more than one car, they're sitting and you had this full coverage on it, and it's Mile Auto is pay per mile. You can still pay per mile and still get full coverage on your car. It's just that if you're driving less, you pay for what you drive. So it's another option that we have with one of our in the Boston Insurance Group for one of our carriers. So it's one of those perks, especially your kids are not driving as much. The car states there's no practices, they're not going to school, there's no after school anything. So it helps to have less miles to have to pay for your auto insurance coverage. So that's something to think about.
Seniors too.
Say it again, because you just completely came in delayed.
Seniors. It's for seniors. Can
Absolutely. Yes.
Yeah, for seniors. So, okay, so then the other number, our main number is 312-759-7740. That's our main number. Or you can call me at 312-448-7040, the Boss Insurance Group. Oh, can you see it?
Put your hand behind it. Maybe that'll help.
312-448-7040, or our main number, which is 312-759-7740, if you have any questions. So again, let's recap real quick. Safeco, 15%, April and May. Mercury Auto, 15%, April and May. Travelers, 15%, April and May. Progressive, 20%, April and May. State Auto, deferred payment. Encompass, deferred payment. Okay.
There you have it.
If you have any questions, just give us a call, and we thank you for your business. And
Absolutely.
Stay well, stay safe.